Welcome to Codezlux. Today we will discuss how to design a beautiful website only in HTML and CSS. We have done our header part of this website. Today we will design the remaining part. So let's jump into the lecture. To style for slider section, we will write the class name like slider, then add a border of 1px, solid, black. Then add a margin of 50px and 0. Also give padding 0. Then we will style for image. Like give width of 500px and height of 300px. Then we will style the heading of About Us section. Like, align text to the center. Increase the font size to 30px. Font weight to normal. Font family to Verdana, and also text decoration to underline. Then style for the paragraph of About section. Like, align text to the center. Decrease width to 80 and give margin as auto, and font size to 16px. Then to change the style of the heading of our team section, we will simply add the class name then h3 with About section. It will also apply for the heading of our team section. Then to style for the team members, like to change the O as text style to none. Also to change the style for Li as a float to left. The margin of 0 and 10px. Add a simple shadow to the box. Then add a border radius like 10px. Also add a border radius to images. Then add style for the heading of the testimonial section. Then add style for testimonial like flow to right. Then style for testimonial image like. Also, add style for the paragraph of the testimonial. Then style for testimonial image like, margin of 10px and auto, display of block, width and height of 150px, and border radius of 50%. Then style for client's name like, align to center, and font family to Arial. After that, style for the heading of the contact section. Also, style for a form like, width of 25%, margin of auto, the font size of 20px, text aligned to center. Also give a border. Give padding like 20px and 0, and then let's give a regular box shadow. Then style for the input section of the form like width to 25%, height to 25%, and margin like 10px and 0. Also add the text area tag with the input. After that, style for the footer section. Align text to the center. And add the footer tag with the header. So that's all about today's lecture. In the next lecture we will start our Bootstraps section. Stay connected. We will be right back soon. Thanks.